PE, PVC, CPVC, PEX, ABS, and polypropylene pipe. EB250's cone-shaped chamfers. A chamfered area provides an even penetration of glue, creating a better solvent weld versus connections made without a chamfer. The cone chamfer tool can also be used manually without a drill. Because of its cone shape, it can be used on metric or standard pipe and works great for PE water service lines. Hardened steel blade for smooth cuts and long blade life. This blade can be replaced or sharpened. The cone chamfer tool is extremely fast and economical. Nothing like this has ever been seen before.